Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to get the stickers for your Pokemon GO account. So at first, just open your phone, and as you open your phone, open the Pokemon GO app from wherever it is located. And as you open your Pokemon GO app, it takes a while to load because it depends on your internet speed. And as you are in this home page, just look at your middle bottom where you can see that Pokeball. So just click on there at first to open that page. And as you open it, you can see the shop option right in the middle and just click it. And as you view the shop page, just scroll all the way down where you can see the stickers for your account and just click any of the sticker you want for yourself. And also guys, you need Pokecoins to get the sticker for yourself. So guys, that's how you get the stickers for your Pokemon GO account. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.